guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very different one, as well as my appearance and my background. It looks like a total mess because my room is a total mess from the video I just filmed. I did a video where I did my nails myself. My mom told me I have to start paying for my own nails, and I was like, well, I don't want to drop 50 bucks or like 35 or whatever twice a month to get my nails done. So I figured that I've gotten my nails done so many times, I know how to do it, and I was like, why don't I just try and do it? And I thought I would film me trying to do my nails. I ended up with this really pretty chrome coffin shaped nails. They're a tiny bit messy, but honestly, for my first attempt, I'm pretty proud of how they turned out. I also did two other sets of nails today. So if you want to see this video and you want to see how long of an experience this was, then go ahead and keep on watching. I thought I'd be super chill, not even put on makeup, not even bother to do my hair, because that's just how I was today. So hope you guys enjoy. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you like a cool video like this one. Hopefully if I get better, I can do more tutorials for you guys on how to do your nails at home. So yeah, go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. I bought all of this stuff from Sally Beauty Supply except for the powder and the gel polish. So, I've already soaked off my nails. This is my first time doing my nails on myself, like next gen. Why not film myself during this process? So I've already sized out all of my tips, and I'm just gonna start by gluing those on. I'm taking the Beauty Secrets Quick Dry Nail Glue, and honestly, this glue does not dry very fast at all. I had to press so hard when I was doing it earlier today. But I'm just going to put a drop in the well of the nail, and I got these tips at Sally Beauty. I like coffin nails, so that's what shape I'm going to go for. I've also filed down my nails as well. Also, I'm sorry that my setup for this is definitely not the best, but, you know, I'm trying here, okay? I'm just a girly trying to do some nails. Could you imagine if I actually kept my nails this long? Like, how could you function? I can't even pick up these other fake nails. I'm not even kidding. Oh, see? Look how hard these hoses are to stick on, and this glue does not quick dry. Okay, this is what they look like. Now I'm gonna take my nail cutters. Everything, as I said, was from Sally Beauty. I'm gonna make them long enough that I can still do coffin. All right, now I'm gonna grab some scissors, and then I'm gonna cut these into the coffin shape and then begin filing so I can start dipping. All right, so now I'm just gonna take some regular old scissors, which is probably not what you're supposed to do. So nail techs, sorry about this one. And then I'm just going to cut it into the beginning of a coffin shape because it'll make it so much easier to file. Oh my gosh, these scissors have like tape or glue all over them. I don't even know. Okay, so I've got better scissors, so let's hope that this goes better. Alright, so now I'm gonna actually try and shape these correctly because these look terrible as of now. I'm also gonna file over the line where the tip is. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all how I do one of these, and then I'm going to do the rest off camera because this is such an ordeal. My cat is meowing outside the door. I don't know if y'all can hear it. I feel so bad. I want to let him in, but I also feel like he's such a distraction. Alright, I think that's not too bad. So I'm gonna finish the coffin shape off camera, and then I'll come back and show y'all what it looks like. Okay, so these are my nails after I've shaped them. I also went over and filed around the edge where the tip meets. And now we're gonna start dipping. So I got the Pro Dip kit. This was just the one from Sally Beauty that looked the most promising. So I want to strengthen up where the nail meets the tip. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start out by applying some powder right over there. Ugh, I should have opened this before, but I'm using the color Stripped Down. It didn't come with like a base powder. It just said to dip it right in, so that's what I am doing. Dip it, and then you tap off the excess. And then I also have a little makeup brush so you can dust off your nails. in between. That is a pretty important step because if you don't dust them off, then your brush can get really clogged with the powder. And now we're gonna go and do 3/4 of the nail. So just all the way up. Again, make sure you get in any cracks and crevices all around the sides as well. And then tap off the excess. And now we're gonna go over the entire nail. Again, this is when you want to be careful. Right here, I have a little gap from the tip, so I'm gonna put some extra base right there. And then wipe off any bits that got on my skin. And then dip the nail. All right, now I'm gonna do one more coat over all of the nails, and then I will move on to filing. My thumb is probably my best nail at the moment. Look at that nail, oh my gosh. All right, last one, and then I'll put the activator on and start drilling. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my little kabuki brush and I'm going to dust off the powder. They don't look too bad. They definitely don't look as good as when the nail salon does that whole step, but I really think it is my tips. I need to get different tips because these are just so thick. All right, now I'm gonna be taking the activator, and they said you should put this on before you file and then you put it on after you file as well. And this hardens all of the dip, so you can drill it. All right, so I'm gonna file one of these on camera and then the other one, the rest of them, I'm gonna do off. So I do have a sandpaper kind of tip on here. Also, look how gross my e-file is. That's because I spilled acetone on our craft mat and then I accidentally set this on top of it. And so it definitely melted it a little bit. But this is a really cheap file. You just push the button. You don't get to have a pre-setting like the fancy ones, but it worked good enough to do my nails earlier. Okay, so I'm gonna begin by just kind of making it less thick. Luckily, this one doesn't need too much filing. Now I'm gonna go in with my actual file and define the shape again. Sticking my file right under here and going like this is the best way to kind of get the coffin shape and like thin out the nail at the same time, at least in my experience. All right, now I'm gonna take a buffer and just kind of buff the top of the nail. All right, and that is what one nail looks like, buffed and filed and shaped. I'm gonna do that to the rest of these and I will be back. All right, so I filed my nails. They actually look pretty good. I did cut myself on my pinky and that hurt a little bit, but now I have to apply the activator and you let this sit for 2 minutes. And then you can see they are pretty smooth. They actually look good. I'm pretty proud of myself. Let me just go ahead and tell y'all what I'll be doing next. I'm going to be applying the Gelish Mini set. This is kind of an old set, which is why I'm using these gel polishes. I do want to buy better ones, but I don't have them right now. So first I have to apply the foundation, and then I'm gonna apply a simple sheer coat, and then a top coat, and then I'm gonna apply the chrome on top after that. So let's let these harden, and then I will get to applying the polish. All right, it has been 2 minutes, so I'm gonna start off with applying the foundation. I got this kit a long time ago for Christmas, like years ago, and I should probably buy new gel polish, but I figure I might as well use up what I have, you know, don't wanna be wasteful. The good thing about this is if my chrome starts to fade or look ugly, I can just easily peel the gel off and then apply a next gen top coat and it'll all look fine. So now I'm gonna put my nails underneath the UV lamp, and mine has a setting where you can set how long it's gonna go for, and mine's gonna go for 90 seconds. Okay. Okay, I'm sorry if the camera angle is different. I found out that this camera wasn't recording this whole time because I didn't know. I don't know, I'm just an idiot or whatever. But now I'm going to be taking the Stipple Sheer, just applying a thin layer of this because I'm not sure if I could have just applied the foundation and then a top coat. Alright, now I'm going to put it back in my lamp for 90 seconds again. Alright, now I'm going to apply the top coat. My top coat bottle is definitely the worst shape bottle. And the top coat application needs to be very precise, just as all the other ones do. You don't want to go too thick. Alright, now this one you go ahead and you put in the lamp for 2 minutes. Alright, so now I'm gonna go grab a little pad to put my polish, my nail surface cleanse or whatever on and use it to wipe off my nails so I can apply the chrome because I don't have a no wipe gel top coat, which I know is like the preferred method, but this did work earlier when we did chrome on my sister's nails, so hopefully it works with me. But so far I think they turned out so pretty. I'm so excited to put the chrome on. Alright, I bought this chrome powder off of Amazon. I'm using the silver color because I just wanted a soft pearly silver chrome. I'm just using the eyeshadow applicators that they sent with it. And now I'm going to take the wipe that you have to use. I'm going to take the surface cleanse. I'll wipe it off. Hope I can get all this fuzz off of me. And then I'm going to take this kind of push it in. Oh yeah, this is working. Oh, it looks so nice. I'm so sorry if my camera angles are truly terrible, but I'm trying my best. I'm not a nail blogger. I'm gonna take my brush and try and dust off all this powder and fuzz and everything. Alright, now I'm gonna apply my top coat. This will just make sure they stay shiny. Alright, now I'm going to nuke them for the last time. And again, I'm going to be letting these sit under the lamp for 2 minutes and then I will wipe them down and we'll be done. Alright, now I'm just going to wipe them off. That just removes the sticky layer. This cuticle oil is just some Orly Argan cuticle oil. Just going to apply that right on my cuticles. They are dying, and then I'll go wash my hands as well. Yeah, I'm so excited. These turned out so good. I just have to do my other hand. And then we will be rocking out with a killer set that I did myself. Alright, so I'll see y'all when I'm done. Alright, so that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I think my nails turned out so pretty. I am so excited and proud of myself. And this took me so long. Like, if I could get faster at this, this will be amazing. But literally that took me like 3 hours just to do my hand. But it also took a long time because I was filming it, and doing the gel on top of the dip was a process as well. But if I just do the dip, I think I can probably get it to like an hour and a half, which is not too bad considering I kind of have to do like one nail at a time because the tips make it really complicated. So yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed.